Guys
are there in the house means it's really nice. But
Okay.
if girls are there means everyone are seeing me.
So when you're in Kerala, the typical what you need to have is Kerala paratha with a chicken curry. They're like, who is the handsome out here? The way we are going through forward makes it so mesmerizing and serene. This is a king crab, tiger prawns, and all sort of fish. So this is the Varkala beach, what you're seeing. What can you say about this place? So beautiful. I think I'll be coming back pretty often. Temperature seems to be bit on mild side, not too much of humidity, but it's gonna be normal, not like complete sweating out. I think because I just came out of the station, I wouldn't feel so much, but maybe after some time I'll get to know. So now I just got an auto and I have to go towards Boston, so it's almost approximately 5 kilometers somewhere from here. So once I reach there, let me see what my next plans are. So for now, let's go to Boston. Finally reached the hostel, and it took me almost like 10 minutes out from the railway station to reach over here. Man, this place is very beautiful. Trust me, it's actually very beautiful. I'll show it to you in a couple of minutes. The reason why this is so great is that just because it has a seafront view. Also, it's on an offbeat location, not something where the entire crowd is also present. So it's very quiet and peaceful. So what you're seeing right here, this is like on the first floor, and from here this is the beach view, and we have like couple of floors on the top. So the moment you're sitting on the top, you will have an amazing sunset views which you'll enjoy coming soon. Okay, so from here we are almost on the 4th floor now. The view from here is like mesmerizing. It's actually quite amazing though. Let me just show you in a moment. Check this out, guys. So when you're in Kerala, the typical what you need to have is Kerala paratha with, obviously I'm not gonna have beef. I don't eat beef, so I just ordered myself a chicken curry. Mostly in the evening I'll go across the other side for the cliffs to see a couple of other restaurants. If I find something very interesting, I want to try the local cuisine, maybe something which is quite different from what is available. So let me explore that in the evening. For now, let me enjoy Kerala paratha and chicken curry. So let me just try this. The first bite goes into it. So this is Kerala paratha and chicken. Indeed, a proper Malabaran taste. Oh my god, I just want to give expression before I eat the food. But it's quite good. It's quite amazing though. So grab the piece in, smear all the masala together, and this is gonna be a fulfilling bite. And it's too good. Too good. If you notice, the Malabar paratha that you get, especially in Kerala, and also the paratha that you get in Bangalore or Tamil Nadu is like entirely different. I don't know how to differentiate it, but the way it tastes is when you'll get to know. I think maybe because of the coconut oil, especially. So because of coconut oil, you actually get that Kerala vibe, the Kerala taste. Obviously, when you are at a particular place which is quite local, make sure that you are being a local over here. That's when you're gonna embrace a lot of their own culture and nature. So bright. Done with my nap. I mean, the evening is very bright, as you would have seen just a clip before. And now I don't have much thing, so I'm gonna take a walk towards the cliff. Maybe go explore the Varkala cliff. I'm not sure yet with the route, but I'm gonna take a diversion from here, from the restaurant's end, and that is what the local has been suggested. So try to go there, spend the evening over there, and maybe check out a local eatery while coming back, so that I can try the authentic Kerala food. And let me just quickly put on my shoes and make a move from here. Okay, so we got a lot of friends over here.
Hello.
That's the fun part of Zostel, is that the moment we are here for like a matter of seconds and we become friends, that's the fun part. And this is Muthu from Tamil Nadu.
Hi.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
And this is Gautam, same from Tamil Nadu, right? And this is one chill buddy.
Hello guys.
He's present everywhere. And this is Nitin.
Yeah, from Kozhikode.
Kozhikode.
Both of them are gym buddy. We are here.
We only do gym. That's what you tell.
Guys are there in the house, which is really nice. But
Okay.
if girls are there, means everyone are seeing me. Can't change the clothes or nothing else. Yeah.
Look, who is the star over here?
Everyone are looking like this. While doing what other thing,
Huh.
taking the bed sheet and he's seeing and he's closing.
They're like, who is the handsome out here? Man, I think just got out of the hostel. There's a couple of other places as well, like smaller places. This is what you're seeing right now. This is a surf school. I think if you really wanted to take surfing classes, you can take this. And to go straight and take a right, it would go towards the North Cliff. Look, all our heroes are coming. See, that's actually the fun part of like being here. Even though if you're like a solo traveler, you guys can just come here, get along with a bunch of other friends and go across to different places.
We can go by cliff.
I think we can go like this mostly. Yeah. Damn, just check this, guys. It looks like purely heaven. The way we are going through forward makes it so mesmerizing and serene. Damn amazing. Trust me, it's so good. Sometimes these offbeat places are where the beauty actually lies. Just check this out, all the various different types of cafes. I mean, mostly looks like a lot continental places, but yeah, one of the best viewing cafes though, actually. Crazy it is. This sort of a thing you'll get to see in Anjuna in Goa. So like, correct. I've just come like halfway on top of the cliff. Oh my god, this place has its own beauty, man. Trust me, it's amazing. What can you say about this place? Trust me, there's no words for this place, man. Like seriously, you can just sit here, soak down your entire time. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I think I'll be coming back pretty often. Too good. You have a girlfriend, you'll end up there, bro. Near the shop. And you will forget about sunset.
Oh, super bro.
Congratulations, bro. So if you notice, we are actually standing on top of the cliff, and this is like segregated till there. It's a long way to go, and I think there's a sort of a place where you can take the steps and come down as well. But this is something very different to be experienced though. Correct. Nature is like, every place has its own beauty like that, right? For that matter. This is a king crab, tiger prawns, and all sort of fish. You sit and you chill for the sunset. There's like very good element of the cafes that is built on the cliff. So in that matter, it's amazing. Okay, this is where the cliff almost goes. Like if you see, it's going almost till there, but I think there's sort of a steps where you can come down. So this is the Varkala beach, what you're seeing, and like insane amount of people.